What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can protect your home and car with the Reolink security cameras. They sent out the Reolink Argus Eco with their solar panel, and then this is an extension cable for the solar panel so I can move it up on my house. But this is a great way to protect your home and also your car if you park it outside. Like I have to park my car out in the street, and this is a perfect thing to monitor your car in case anyone does anything to it. And also I'll be putting it, I will see part of my house too, so that will also help just have protection. And then you can just see if anyone messes with anything, if it happens to get stolen. This is definitely has a lot of features that will help you out, which I will show later. But we'll just go ahead and look in the box and see what comes with it. You can see they got this little like booklet type thing here with their quick start guide, and then a template for you to help mount it on the wall, which I'll be screwing in the side of my house. So you can put that up there, and that shows you where to put the holes. Then let's get into the actual camera itself. This is part of the mounting bracket here, and this is the actual piece that the camera mounts to there. And you have the screws and the little plastic things that will go in the wall, and then a strap, which I'm not necessarily sure what that is for. And then it comes with all the cables you need, the antenna, and then the camera itself. So this will be attached with a solar panel, so I won't have to wire it into my house or anything, or replace the battery all the time. But if we look there, that is the camera itself. And then you will need to put a micro SD card in it to save the footage. And then it also has two-way audio, so you can talk to people. If this was on your porch, you can talk to them and they can talk to you all through the Reolink app, which I will show you later. So that is the main part of the camera itself. So we'll go ahead and look at this is just a cable for the solar panel, and then we'll take a look at the solar panel here. If I can open it with one hand. So you can see there's this other here that is just for the solar panel, which comes with the instructions just the same as the camera itself did. We'll take off that cover, and here's what the solar panel looks like. It's relatively small. It could be pretty easily hidden on the house to where it's not in the way and like obvious to where you can see it. But here's how it mounts. Just go like that on like the house, wherever you want to put it, and it'll screw in, and you can angle it to get the best angle from the sun. And then here is the panel itself with a pretty long cord actually, and then I also have an extension cable for the cord just in case I need to put it farther away. We'll go ahead and pull this protective cover off and see what it looks like. So you can see it's just a gloss piano black type thing, so it doesn't even look that bad if it does have to be visible. But I can't really do all of this one-handed, but you get what it looks like. That's the part that will actually be facing out. So let's go ahead and get started with the installation, and then I'll show you all the features. So I started with screwing the solar panel into the side of the house there, where it will get the sun, and then this cable will run, and then I'll kind of hide most of it behind there. Then it's going to go to right here where I screwed in the mount for the camera, and it'll just screw on there, and then I can position it towards my car and our front doorstep there. And then what I'm currently doing is I'm just pairing it to the Wi-Fi and my phone, which will just get the Reolink app, and then you scan this QR code there on the bottom of the camera and link it all up, and then you are good to go, and you'll see that on the app, which I will show you in a little bit. But I can't record that process because I'm doing it on my phone. But it is pretty self-explanatory, and it gives you the prompts to show you what all you need to do. So here is the camera installed. All I had to do was you take this thing here and it twists left and right and screws it on and off. And then I just screwed the antenna onto that part there, and then put this plug in there, and then this rubber thing goes over it to keep water out of the plug. And then right here is where you turn it on and off and put the SD card in, which I don't have an SD card yet, but I will add one. And that's how you'll save the footage. And then this wire just runs up to the solar panel, and I'm just going to go ahead and staple that up to the house and hide that out of the way, and then I'll show you the features and how the app works. So the camera is all installed. You can see here's the solar panel with the sun, and then the cable runs to the camera that is here on the porch. And then to kind of give you an idea of what it shines on, it'll show my porch here, and then it also shows my car, so I can see packages coming and people there, and you can also talk to them, and they can talk to you through the camera. It has a speaker here on the bottom and a microphone, and you can also play a siren through there. So if you're trying to scare someone away, it will play like a siren that sounds like a house alarm. And then I'll also be able to see my car if anyone messes with it or anything like that. So this is a great thing to keep your home and car safe. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer to a screen recording of the app so I can show you what that looks like, and that'll be pretty much it. So here is the app. This is what it looks like when you first open it. I have this one named Porch Camera, and you have your account and then the settings here, which you can see the camera is charging with the solar panel there, and then my Wi-Fi. And then you can choose the quality, brightness, watermark. There's this, which you can decide if you want it to be like clear quality or like smooth and like fluent without cutting out. And then you can also flip the camera if it needs to be mirrored for some reason. And then it has a motion sensor and camera recording, which I have turned on. So whenever I put the SD card in it, it will record and save. And then you can also turn on notifications, and it'll notify you every single time someone comes up to your house or detects motion. You can also do email alerts, and then there's the siren, which if I turn on, you might be able to hear it. So that is the alarm, and it was off, and then I moved my hand in front of the sensor, and then it went off. And you can also do a custom alarm sound too, so if you want that to scare people away. And then you can do time lapse, and then recording audio and the lights and all of that stuff, and that's all controlled through the camera here. And then we can check the battery percentage. It's charging, and right now it is running down a little bit because the sun isn't shining on the solar panel, but you can charge the camera with just a micro USB cable if you would rather do that. But that is pretty much it for this. You can see here, you can do this, and that is how you talk to the you press this talk button here and tap to talk, and we'll access the microphone. And now you can do tap to talk, and it will come through the camera. You could kind of hear that in the background there. And then you can also check your playback, and that will show the stuff that it saves, but I don't have an SD card right now, so that won't show it. Then there's this, which the camera button there will take a picture, and then that records. And then that is just how you choose the quality that it is. But that's pretty much it for this. Huge thanks to Reolink for sending this camera out. And it is a great thing to watch your car, which is kind of mainly why I have it, is so I can keep an eye on my car if anyone messes with it, because I hate having it outside, but that is my only choice. And then you can also just monitor that, and then packages and just anything around the porch area, wherever you put your cameras, would be great to put in front of garage. I might get another one and put it in front of the garage so I can show that. Sometimes I'll park my car over there. That's pretty much it. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I will leave the link to this product down in the description so you can go check it out for yourself. I would highly recommend it. It is pretty cost effective for what it can save you from, and that's it. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.